Welcome to Fall Open House.
Welcome to the Fall Open House.
Welcome to Fall Open House.
Fall Open House is an opportunity for you to really see what goes on campus.
To be able to talk to faculty and students, so you can feel free to ask them any questions that you'd like.
You can explore majors, learn about the different opportunities we have to offer, and you can also chat with ambassador counselors.
I chose UNH Manchester because it has been the right fit for me and it had the major that I absolutely loved.
I chose UNH Manchester because they were instantly helpful in my transfer process.
I chose UNH Manchester because of the amazing biotechnology program and the location of the school.
What's also really cool about Manchester in general is Manchester's the fourth best city for startup biotech companies, and that I want to take advantage of that.
My experience at UNH Manchester has been truly just fantastic. The professors here are amazing.
An advantage we have over larger schools is the ability to really connect with your professors. You're not really just, a name on a list. You are a student in the classroom.
They take the time to get to know you as a person and what you want to do with your education, and they tailor it and personalize it just for you.
The teachers at UNH Manchester, they go out of their way for you. They really make sure you understand the material.
Every single day, I'm learning something new, even on Zoom.
The astounding, community here is just amazing and something that I love.
We're all friends, so we're like a little family. And we have fun events too, which help bond with other students and residents here.
We're a small school, and it really creates a community that you can really build off of for the future. I would recommend UNH Manchester to other students because it's a very fun school to go to in terms of the community, in terms of the professors, and in terms of just opportunities in general. We're right in the heart of Manchester. There's a lot of internships around here, and we have a lot of facilities available for students that not a lot of other colleges have.
I would recommend UNH Manchester just because it's such a close-knit community and it's so personal and you really get to know everybody.
The amount of opportunities here for job opportunities is stupendous, and it really is a selling point of the school.
My experience at UNH Manchester has been absolutely amazing and worth it.
We thank you so much for checking out the Fall Open House, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.